Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set custom ringtone on OPPO A60. To do this, first we need to go to the settings. In the settings you want to go to sounds and vibration. Now over here you need to scroll down and go to ringtone. Now over here, of course, you need to prepare your audio file that you want to use as a ringtone. If you have one, let's say you downloaded it from the internet, then here you need to choose on this device. And here you will find every audio file that you have saved on your device. Select the desired custom ringtone. I'm gonna select this one, and then I can go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.